How to extract zip files with ZArchiver. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to extract your zip files with ZArchiver. So let's dive right into the video. Let's simply go to our ZArchiver app. If you don't have the app on your device, you can simply go to your Play Store or App Store like this and search for ZArchiver. Just go ahead and search for ZArchiver like this. So right here, you just need to go ahead and click on open after installing it, and the app is going to open like this. So you need to go to the folder where you're going to see the file that you want to extract. So let's go ahead and click on download like this, because I actually have a file here which is a zip file. So looking here is the file. This is actually a website I created for my YouTube channel. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that like this. So when you click on that, you're going to see the option of extract. You can see extract here, you can see extract to archive name, you can see extract. So I'm going to click on the third one here where you can see extract. So when you click on that, you need to select the destination where you want it to appear on. So let's say you move out from here and go to another folder. Let's say we go to log folder like this and click on the arrow icon at the bottom here. So once you do that, you've been able to extract it. So this is actually the file which I extracted. This is what is inside the file. So if you click on something like this and click on open, you're going to see what is written right there. So this is it. This is how simple it is to extract your zip file with your ZArchiver. Now I hope you found this video helpful, because if you come to the very end of this video, like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel.